Good morning, class 5. I hope you all are good at home and welcome back to the online classes. Uh, so today we will continue the chapter with answer the following questions. We will do this today. So first of all, I have given you already hard words and word meanings. I hope you have done that work. So we will move on to the next is question and answer. You have to open page number 36. You have to open page number 36 in your English textbook. And first question is, what was the name of the elder brother? What was the name of the elder brother? जो elder brother था उसका नाम क्या था? इस चैप्टर को आपने पढ़ा. इस चैप्टर में जो elder brother था उसका नाम क्या था? तो what was the name of the elder brother is first one. A part, the name Voloda was the name. Voloda was the name of the elder brother. जो बड़े भाई थे उसका नाम क्या था? Voloda. So you have to write this. Then second question is what did the narrator envy so much in Voloda? जो नरेटर था, जो लियो टॉल्स्टॉय थे, वो बहुत ज़्यादा ईर्ष्या किस चीज़ से करते थे जो उसके भाई में थी? तो वो सबसे ज़्यादा क्या थी? उसका जो हैप्पी लार्ज हार्टेडनेस था, उसका जो दिल बहुत बड़ा था, उसकी वजह से वो बहुत ज़्यादा द नरेटर एनवीड हिज ब्रदर्स. You'll write the narrator envied his brothers large heartedness. Brothers happy large heartedness. What you are right? Happy large heartedness. Large heartedness. तो इस चीज से वो बहुत ज्यादा जलन थी उसको. किस चीज से? उसका जो दिल था वो बहुत बड़ा था. What the narrator envied his brother's happy large heartedness. उसका जो दिल था काफी बड़ा था, तो इसकी वजह से वो बहुत ज्यादा जलन थी उसको. The next one is which gesture did Volota inherit from his father? कि कौन सा वो gesture था जिससे जो लियो था वोलोडा को इनहेरिट हुआ था, मतलब कि उनके पूर्वजों से मिला था, उसके फादर से मिला था एक्चुअली. ठीक है, तो वो कौन सा जेस्चर था? तो क्या जेस्चर था? हिज jerking his shoulders. So that was the gesture which was inherited by his father's habit. Voloda had inherited, आप लिखोगे jerking. Write down Voloda had inherited. Third one is Voloda had inherited from his father. Voloda had inherited his father's habit. His father's habit of jerking his shoulders. So this is the answer of your question number 3. So A part is over. There are only 3 questions in A part. So these are over. Answer number 1, 2 and 3. And next B part is tick the correct option. The narrator was jealous of his elder brother, admirer of his brother's behavior, or a victim of inferiority complex, or biased against his brother. What is the answer? The narrator was the admirer of his brother's behavior. Admirer था अपने भाई के behavior का, वो मानता था कि इसके जो भाई का behavior है वो काफी ज्यादा अच्छा है रियल में. वोलोडा was annoyed with the narrator because जो वोलोडा था वो बहुत ज्यादा चिढ़ा हुआ था narrator से, क्योंकि the narrator had told him a lie. No. The narrator had broken his scent bottle. Yes. क्यों चिढ़ गया था वो? क्योंकि उसने उसकी सेंट बॉटल तोड़ दी थी, इसीलिए वो चिढ़ा हुआ था. The narrator had broken his scent bottle. So this is the answer of your question number 2. And now part C. You have to complete part C. First question is, although the two brothers differed not much in age, कि जो दोनों भाई थे वो एज में ज़्यादा डिफर नहीं करते थे, लेकिन why does the younger brother say that he was no comparison for his elder brother? तो क्यों जो younger brother था उसने ऐसा कहा कि उसके elder brother से कोई भी comparison नहीं है उसका? Give at least 2 reasons for it. तो इसका आंसर होगा, why does the younger brother say that he was no comparison for his elder brother? You will write answer. Leo Tolstoy says that his brother, I'll rub this answer. I hope you have done these answers. So this is the part C and answer number 1. Part C, answer number 1 is C part. Okay, answer number 1. So Leo Tolstoy says that his brother, Leo Tolstoy says that his brother was better than him, was better than him in everything, कि जो उसका भाई था वो उससे ज़्यादा बेटर था हर चीज़ में, चाहे वो आर्ग्यूमेंट्स हो, चाहे वो लेसन्स हो, चाहे वो मैनर्स हो. सो इन एवरीथिंग एट लेसन्स arguments or in manners. He was good at everything. So arguments or in arguments and in manners. The next question is, do you think Voloda was really proud as his younger brother thought? कि आपको क्या लगता है कि जो वोलोडा था वो रियल में प्राउडी था जैसा कि उसका भाई सोचता था? तो आपको इसका आंसर लिखना है. आपको क्या लगता है कि he was proudy as Leo thought? So you have to write no, Voloda was not as proud as Leo thought. So you write no, Voloda was not as proud as Leo thought. तो वो इतना प्राउड ही नहीं था जैसा कि लियो सोचता था उसके बारे में. As Leo thought, he was actually large hearted. He was. So you can write this. It's enough for this. Only, yes. Next, what qualities of Voloda have been highlighted by the narrator? Which qualities have been highlighted? So Voloda's large-heartedness. First one is Voloda's large-heartedness. Voloda's large-heartedness. Voloda's large-heartedness, and this is the one quality. And the second quality is, and his capacity to be generous in relationship, and his capacity to be generous, in in relationship, in relationship, and relationships are highlighted by the narrator. You can write after this. Were highlighted, were highlighted by the highlighted by the narrator. By the narrator. So this is the these are the answers of your C part. The next one is, what made the narrator shed tears when his elder brother asked forgiveness for his behavior? The narrator shed tears because he realized that the fault lay with him, and it was he and not Voloda who should have apologized. The narrator shed tears because, I have to rub this, so you can take a screenshot of this and then you can write the answers of C part. Now move on to the next question. What made the narrator shed tears when his elder brother asked forgiveness for his behavior? The narrator shed tears because he realized, answer number 4, the narrator shed tears because he realized because he realized because he realized that it was he and not Voloda. It was he and not Voloda, not Voloda, who should have apologized. Not Voloda, who should have apologized. Sorry, that it was his fault and not Voloda. Sorry, you can write his fault. It was his fault that it was his fault. It was his fault and not Voloda who should have apologized. Then next question is fifth question. Fifth question is, who was a better human being, the narrator or his elder brother? Give at least 3 reasons in support of your answer. कि आपको बताना है कि कौन सा अच्छा इंसान था। जो नरेटर है वो स्टोरी का या फिर उसका बड़ा भाई। और आपको 3 रीजंस देने हैं अपने आंसर को सपोर्ट करने के लिए। तो जो नरेटर का एल्डर ब्रदर था, ऑफ कोर्स ही वाज अ मच बेटर देन ह्यूमन बीइंग, मच better human being than his brother Leo. And Leo was the one who behaved badly, breaking the scent bottle, then deliberately kicking the table and smashing all the other ornaments and not apologizing for any of it. Instead, he was rude to Voloda. Voloda forgave his brother and apologized, extending a friendly hand to his naughty brother. First of all, you have to write who was a better human being. So, who was a better human being? So, the narrator's elder brother, Voloda, fifth one, Voloda was a better, was the better human being, better human being than his brother, than his brother. Um, then give at least 3 reasons in support of your answer. You have to write reasons. So Leo was the one who behaved badly. Leo was the Leo was the one who behaved badly, behaved badly and behaved badly and did mistake did mistake like breaking the scent bottle, breaking the scent bottle and other ornaments, other ornaments, other ornaments, other ornaments, and not apologizing and not apologizing, not apologizing for any of it, for any of it, any of it, and Voloda forgave his brother and apologized. Instead, Voloda forgave his brother, forgave his brother, forgave his brother and apologized and apologized. So this is the answer of your question number 5. And last one is, what is the message of this story? कि आपको इस स्टोरी से क्या मैसेज मिलता है, क्या संदेश मिलता है? So this story shows us 2 things, that people are more important than things. So I'll write this answer here. This story shows 2 messages. First one is the what you are going to write is, the people are more important than things, and that we must learn to value relationships. So what is the message of this story is, you can write only one. The message of this story is fifth and sixth, last one. uh, the message of the story of the story is the people are more important. The, that that the people are more important than things. Important than things. Things. So this is the main message which we get from the story. So that's all for today, and your chapter is over. You have completed the chapter. Thank you. And if you have any queries or any doubt, you can ask me on WhatsApp group, or I will solve your queries, whatever they are. Thank you for today.